everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed a web link in Genially. Let's start by opening a Genially template. Create your own or use a readily available one. For this video demo, let's open a readily available template. I'm going to add a new page and choose a blank template. You can use any template. Once you have your template open, select Insert on the left navigation toolbar. Make sure you are in the Audio tab. Next, go to the URL section and paste the link you would like to embed. Press Enter. You can see that the web link is inserted in the template here. The icon here can be used to lock the position of the web page. The animate icon here enables you to animate the web link. Next, select the preview icon here to view the outcome. That's it. We got the link embedded into our Genially template. Thanks for watching.